Our summertime heavy rains and also following substantial winter kill in Bermuda grass has led to a lot of complaints and questions regarding sedge invasion in lawns and landscapes. I'd like to review some of the features of sedges, how to identify them from grasses, and also what are some of the integrated practices that can help us manage and reduce sedge in turf and the landscape. Here in my hand, I'm holding actually yellow nutsedge. Now this is a perennial species of sedge, and it's quite common throughout the United States. It's common in gardens, landscape beds, and also turfgrass areas. Nutsedges are a member of the Cyperaceae, that's the sedge family. It's a very diverse family, and there's many members that are valuable to us, such as the carex sedges that are used as turf. There's actually some edible ones like chufa, where we can eat the tubers. And then also we use papyrus, which is a Cyperus genus member also, as an ornamental, and also it was used to generate some of the first writing surfaces. Now in our landscapes, we can get sedge invasion into ornamental beds and also into lawn areas. Something that these sites have in common is usually there's less competition from the desired plant materials. So in our turfgrass area here, we have a lot of traffic, we've got soil compaction, we've got thinning turf. So all the practices such as proper mowing, fertilization, irrigation, aerification, anything that involves recuperation or reducing traffic helps to reduce the potential from the sedge invasion. Now, sedges and grasses, what's some of the differences? Sedges are three-ranked, meaning that the leaves come out in three separate directions, whereas with grasses, they're two separate directions. You may have also heard sedges have edges, way of memory, and that's because they're triangular in cross-section, whereas grasses are flattened or round. And again, sedges three-ranked, leaves three directions, grasses two directions. Integrated methods of control in landscape beds involve uses of fabric to reduce invasion from tubers or seed that are germinating, use of mulches to cut down on sunlight that gets to them. We might also use highly targeted herbicides in directed sprays away from the plant. Just some of the more common herbicides for use in Bermuda grass lawns, which is our dominant turfgrass species in Oklahoma. We can use products like Sedge Hammer, active ingredient halosulfuron. We can use Certainty, active ingredient sulfosulfuron. And then also, if we've got buffalo grass or tall fescue, we could use Tenacity, active ingredient mesotrione. So those are just some of the herbicides that can be used for sedge control. We always want you to think about an integrated strategy. Think about healthy plant materials first, exclusion, then turn to herbicides later on. And you should be able to get very close to 100% suppression or control of the sedges.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.